Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good and staying safe during these hard times. I am Shruti Simran and on behalf of Lights Camera ISM, I welcome you all to the club inductions. So, do you have any idea what actually filmmaking is? Let me tell you, it's more than what you think it is. But don't worry, we all are here to ensure that you get every minute details of filmmaking. Also, I believe that by the end of the session, you'll get a clear idea of what actually our club is about, what we do, and what are the requirements to be a part of the club. I would like to mention that the club was founded in the year 2016 by Piyush Chaudhary sir in his second year, and it became official filmmaking club in August 2018. Also, I would like to make a sincere request to everyone that if you have any doubts or queries, make sure to ask them in the comment box.
Hi guys, I'm Abhishek and I'm going to tell you about what exactly LCI is. So LCI is the official filmmaking club of IIT ISM Dhanbad. So hi guys, I know you are not interested in listening to whatever he's saying. So I'm going to tell you in very simple words. We are LCI. We make short films, we edit videos, we write scripts, and we cover different events of our campus. And also one more thing, there is no prerequisite to join LCI because filmmaking is something which is new to all of us. So bye guys. So thank you guys, that's all from my side, and this is what exactly LCI is.
Most of you would like to know what filmmaking is and how exactly do we make films. I would describe filmmaking as the art of visual storytelling. So to start off with step 1, we need to write a story. A story needs to have a beginning, middle and end, which is the simplest way of explaining 3-act story structure. Keeping this in mind, we write a screenplay and many times do some storyboarding. In case of some films, you can even use a unique concept and build your film on top of that. It could be something like the reverse video concept used in Tenet or the parallel world effect used in Dark. Once your story is in mind and on paper, we need to bring it to life with the use of our cameras. This is where cinematography comes into the picture. Cinematography comprises of all visual on-screen elements, including lighting, framing, composition, camera angles, lens choices, depth of field, etc. At LCI we have 3 Canon 80Ds, but we strongly believe that the best camera is the one that is with you. Now that you've shot, recorded your films, dialogues and story, you need to bring it all together with the help of editing. This includes visual effects and even sound designing. This is what a particular Lights Camera ISM timeline might look like. you can see the various video layers and audio layers that bring the film to life. So now you've written, shot, and edited your story. Voila! You've successfully made a film, and along the way, a ton of memories and friends.
अरे प्रिया के पापा आपका टिफिन बना दिया है, लेना मत भूलना।
हाँ रख दिया मैंने।
और नाश्ता भी कर लीजिए, बना दिया है।
नहीं टाइम नहीं है।
अच्छा आते आते नमक और चीनी ले आइएगा, खत्म हो गई है।
ले आऊंगा।
कभी अक्कड़ थी, कभी बक्कड़ थी, कभी टेढ़ी थी, कभी मेढ़ी थी।
कभी अक्कड़ थी, कभी बक्कड़ थी, कभी टेढ़ी थी, कभी मेढ़ी थी।
थोड़ी अकड़ी थी, थोड़ी जकड़ी थी, पर लपक के हमने पकड़ी थी।
थोड़ी गीली थी, थोड़ी ड्राई थी, कभी लोसी थी, कभी हाय थी।
घुल जाए तो इलायची, घिस जाती तो अदरक थी।
ये जिंदगी यादों की गुल्लक सी,
गुल्लक सी, गुल्लक सी।
ये जिंदगी यादों की गुल्लक सी,
गुल्लक सी, गुल्लक सी।
बाबू लल्ला हल्ला गुल्ला, चे चे पो पो हो गली मोहल्ला। बाबू लल्ला हल्ला गुल्ला, चे चे पो पो हो गली मोहल्ला।
ऊनी गेंदों सी, फटी जेबों सी, छटे कोहरी सी, बासी तहरी सी।
पैसा
उन्हीं बोसी, फटी जेबों सी, छठे कोहर सी, बासी तहरी सी।
बातों की दातून से चलती अनलिमिटेड वाईफाई थी।
फुर्सत का पेट्रोल पड़ा के स्लोली स्लोली भगाई थी।
हम सब के हिस्से आई थी,
हम सब ने गले लगाई थी।
एक चम्मच थी पर टू मच थी।
ये जिंदगी यादों की गुल्लक सी,
गुल्लक सी, गुल्लक सी।
ये जिंदगी यादों की गुल्लक सी,
जिंदगी गुल्लक सी।
ये जिंदगी यादों की गुल्लक सी,
जिंदगी गुल्लक सी।
So, Filmmaking Club is not only about this.
Alo, lelo.
or this.
सड़क से उठाकर स्टार बना दूंगा मैं.
But it involves a lot of technicalities behind the screen as explained by Adarsh. Now, moving ahead, let me tell you what as a filmmaking club we have done so far. As a filmmaking club, we make short movies, music videos, montage, B-rolls, after movies covering various important events that are held in our college. We try to make movies on various festive occasions like Independence Day, Women's Day, Friendship Day, and various others. We try to cover all sort of genres, be it humor, comedy, action, thriller, mystery, suspense, romantic, and a lot more. We try to make movies that involve advanced editing techniques. So, without wasting much time, let me show you a short video that depicts all our creations that we have done so far.
पर माँ, क्या भगवान हर जगह आएंगे?
यार भी तो छूट जाते, उसका क्या?
You must promise me that you will hold on to hope and keep it.
पीछे देखो, पीछे.
Traveling high speeds.
अब क्योंकि सबका टाइम आएगा, नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा.
Life was the best thing happening to me.
रुक जाओ दिल दीवाने.
Quite interesting, right? Now, talking about the achievements, yes, we do have one handful of awards. Every year, we take part in the annual Inter-IIT Cultural Meet that is organized by different IITs. Apart from this, we often take part in the editing challenges that are held around the year. So let me show you a video regarding our achievement that we have made so far.
People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it.
कहाँ जा रही हो इतनी खुशी खुशी?
क्या बदतमीजी है ये?
कहाँ लेके जाओगे इतना बोझ मैडम? क्या होगा?
Hello young ISMites, how are you? Till now, you must have understood about what is LCI and what we do. But now the part which most of us are always excited for. It's covering the festivals. Round the year, IIT Dhanbad hosts a large number of festivals. From Concito, the annual Technical Fest, Srijan, the annual Cultural Fest, Parakram, the annual Sports Fest, Basan, the Alumni Day. All of this fest witness a large number of crowd from other colleges and cities. And what could be a better standout than a camera? Am I right? Because LCI covers all of this fest. Apart from experiencing this fest from a totally different perspective, you also get a chance to feature yourself in the after movies, the vlogs, and also you get a chance to take the perfect shot from your favorite superstar. You don't believe me, right? So here is our last year's Srijan after movie for you. And besides this, if you want to see all the other fun that we do, you can check out our vlogs of Srijan that we make on each of the Srijan day. So enjoy yourself and hope to meet you soon. Thank you.
I see what you're wearing, there's nothing beneath it. Forgive me for staring, forgive me for breathing. We might not know why, we might not know how, but baby tonight, we're beautiful now. We're beautiful now. We're beautiful now. We might not know why, we might not know how, but baby tonight, we're beautiful now. We'll light up the sky, we'll open the clouds, 'cause baby tonight, we're beautiful now, we're beautiful. We're beautiful.
Oh, my daddy taught me well. There's some devils in heaven and some angels in hell. So promise me, child, when they pull your card, you'll know which one you are. Yeah, my daddy taught me well. If you can't do good, better do bad well.
First time we're playing in Dhanbad, and playing in such a cold and nice weather is always amazing. रहे हैं स्टेज पर, मिलते हैं स्टेज पर।
मेरा दिन भी तू, मेरी शाम तू, मेरे रात के सपनों में तू, मेरी आहटे तेरा नाम ले, ये बात तू मान ले। मेरा दिन भी तू, मेरी शाम तू, मेरे रात के सपनों में तू, मेरी आहटे तेरा नाम ले, ये बात तू मान ले। 100 साल का मेरा एक दिन हो जिसमें तेरी तस्वीरें ना हो, बेरुख सी है मेरी ये जिंदगी जिसमें तेरी खुशबू ना हो। मेरी पहली मोहब्बत, पहली मोहब्बत, पहली मोहब्बत है वो। मेरी पहली मोहब्बत, पहली मोहब्बत, पहली मोहब्बत है वो।
So before we end our session, we have a small surprise for you. We are going to give you a quick sneak peek into the freshers video which you were also a part of, and we are going it to release tomorrow on Lights Camera ISEM's YouTube channel, that is Monday at 6 PM. So stay tuned and subscribe to Lights Camera ISEM. So let's go have a look at the video. So hope you had a great insight what filmmaking is throughout the session, and what we are and who we are, what we do as a club Lights Camera ISM. Hope you had great fun. If you have any questions, we are live for another 5 minutes, so drop your questions in the live chat box and we are happy to answer them.